Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into My Account. Google.com with the Gmail you want to fix. Once signed in, click Security and find third-party apps with account access. This is the control center. You want to scan the list for apps with broad permissions, especially ones you don't recognize. Make sure to pause on each app and read the access description. Doing this prevents accidentally revoking essential tools. Now, select the most suspicious app to begin removal. This is the first actionable step. Now you remove access. Click an app in the list, then choose Remove Access and confirm the prompt. This revokes its OAuth tokens immediately. Continue through the list, covering both third-party apps and any entries under less secure app access. Repeat until only trusted apps remain. Once done, make sure to change your Gmail password if any access looks suspicious, and consider enabling two-step verification to block future intrusions. These steps close the door. They also reset the tokens those apps used. Finish by signing out of devices and reviewing recent security events to confirm no lingering access. Once done, enable two-step verification and inspect app passwords under security. This prevents reauthorization. If an app still reappears or removal fails, go into that app's own account settings or developer dashboard and revoke Google permissions there. Then return to Google and remove it again. If you're blocked, clear browser cookies or try a different browser. That often resolves stubborn revoke issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.